and welcome back to binaryoptionsproductreview.com. This is Seb, and today I'm going to give you a run through on my 10 trade account. Now I haven't actually shown this to anyone. This is going to be the first time I'm going to be showing this, but there's a couple of more than a couple. The mainstream brokers that I personally use to do my personal trading in my spare time are 10 Trade, 24 Option, and Stock Pair. These are the three main brokers that I use in trading. One of my big and all-time ones has been 24 Option. Okay, I just recently did a withdrawal from them, and I've just gone and put another £1,000 back into the account, and I might place a trade in a second, just to show you guys sort of how the broker works basically. But for now we're going to be focusing on 10 Trade. I'm just gonna quickly log in to my account a second. So info at binary options product review, I cannot spell, review.com, and then my password. It's the wrong password. Of course it is. It's always the wrong password. Okay, here we go. Let's wait for everything to load. Then back and back. 10 Trade, it takes forever to load everything. There we go. Still waiting for it all to load. Still waiting for my balance to load up quickly. There we go. So as we can see, just signed in. Our current balance for our business account with Binary Options Product Review is up to €18,000 with 10 Trade. And that's because what we like to do is placing trades with 10 Trade is very straightforward, very easy. We like to use 10 Trade a lot out there in the binary options market. And what I'm going to do is, the purpose of this video really is not to show off, it's not to show you guys, you know, that we have a lot of money in 10 Trade or any of these brokers. It's because we want to show that they are a legitimate and regulated broker, and that they are worth the investment. And they offer a lot of help. Basically, they can assign you account manager. Even if you deposit a minimum, they can still give you the tools you need to start your binary options experience. And they have a lot of payment methods. They have the MasterCard, Visa, Cashu, WebMoney, BankWire, JCB, PaySafe card, which is what I think a lot of people like to use as well. A lot of people like to use the PaySafe card, as it's not quite like PayPal. Okay, it's not at all, but it is obviously a lot safer route to go. And this broker is regulated by CySEC, which is the Cyprus Securities Exchange Commission, under the license number 248/14, and you can find that on the CySEC homepage. Now, I'm not gonna lie guys, I have been placing a few trades and it didn't go according to plan. A lot of us here in the office, we like to go through the accounts, place some trades on what we think is going to come in as a win. These trades were made by myself, and I got very cocky with the euro and ended up making a couple of losses, because I'm an idiot that likes to win a lot of money, and unfortunately you have to lose some to win some. I did manage to win a couple of trades, as you can see there. These trades were made back a couple of days ago now. So yeah, but moving on from those losses that I made stupidly, which I got absolutely penalised for, trust me, because they are big losses they were. So but what the purpose of this video is to show you their assets as well. So they have a long list of assets to choose from currencies that range from the AUD to the Euro to the GBP to the JPY, USD obviously. Commodities can range anything from the gold, coffee, copper, corn, oil, silver, wheat indices. You have DAX future, the dollar index. There are just so many. The list goes on and on. Even the stocks, you can even trade Adidas if you want to. Okay, it is entirely up to you. anything. Even, hey, if you fancy trading on eBay, why not trade on eBay? But hey, my personal opinion is to trade on currencies only, as I think currencies is a lot safer to trade on. You can make long-term trades. You can do pair trading, which is where basically you decide which pair is going to do better than the other. Not really my favourite, but hey, if you want to go with that, you can. 60 seconds, which is a big favourite amongst binary options traders. But it's not just 60 seconds, which is what I love. They do 90, 120, 180, even go on past up to the 5-minute mark. Then you've got one touch and ladder as well. And basically what I do like about 10Trade, I'm not going to lie, it's their payout percentage. They have 81, even 83, which is absolutely incredible. As I'm sure if you guys watch my other reviews, some brokers can only offer 78 or even 79, but these brokers offer that little bit more percentage. But every percentage counts in binary options, because you want to get the most out of what you can get basically. And let's move on to the education side, I think, next. There's a few things I'm going to quickly show you. So let's go to the asset index. We're going to have a look around. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So, and the asset index, you can have a look at everything here to do with the stock, the currency, the commodity, the indice, the pair itself. This is absolutely vital. If you don't know what anything is, okay, so let's just click on one. Say if you don't know what Apple is, okay, I'm sure everyone knows what Apple is, but it will give you a brief description of what the stock or what the currency mainly focuses on. Or for an Apple in this instance, it goes American multinational corporation that designs and manufactures consumer electronics and computer software products. Obviously best known for its Macintosh computers, the iPod and the iPhone. See what I mean? So the education center, if you don't understand what anything is, come here. It's fantastic. They have so much more to offer. They even explain to you in full depth how expiry rates work, what the one touch, you know, if you don't know what one touch is, it explains it all there. Even how to trade if you're totally new to binary options. Hey, come here, come to 10Trade, sign up, go to their education part first and teach yourself, familiarize yourself, find out what everything is about in binary options. They even give you a long list of trading tools, which I'm going to show you here. Obviously you've got the one touch, 60-second, ladder, everything there. So if you don't know what, for example, not a lot of people know what the ladder is. So the ladder trading platform combines the most exciting, potentially profitable elements of binaries and of vanilla options, giving traders 5 different strike prices on underlying assets for an amazing new approach to investment. I don't trade on the ladder personally, okay? It's quite complicated for myself, and I presume it's very easy, and I'm going to sound like an idiot, but it is true, and I can imagine my colleagues are going to laugh at me in the morning when they see this review. So anything you want to find out, anything at all about binary options, about currencies, stocks, even about 10Trade itself, come to the education part. Everything is here, everything you need to know. So let's go back to the trade part. Okay, let's wait for it all to load. Here we go. So why don't, while we're at it, place a small trade. I'm not going to place a big one because I'm going to place a 50 euro trade. So what should we do? Oh yeah guys, if you like this video, I don't mind doing a trading session live. If you guys want that, if you would feel really good with me doing that, then absolutely I'll do it alongside anyone. So I'll put up a YouTube video making live trades if anyone wants to see what my trading strategies are. And don't be put off by the losses I had back then. I was just completely messing around, and trust me, I wish I hadn't done that, because I got penalised for it obviously in the office. But we all make mistakes. I generally thought that they were going to go in the right direction, but obviously I was wrong. You've got to make a mistake sometimes in binary options to learn from them, and I most certainly did. So let's find a nice good trend to trade on. So okay, page 50, we're on the USD JPY. It's had a big uphill trend. Let's have a look at the past 2 hours, 4 hours. So as you can see right from the bottom here, where the strike rate was at 120 all the way to the top, it's had a nice steady upwards trend. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it to 60 seconds, set it to €50, and I'm going to place a call. Or I would if it would let me. And it looks like it's not going to let me. Server error occurred. No, not at all. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not letting me place out. I've never seen that before. Let me have a look on the... If I go to USD... I'm going to place a call. No, okay, it's not letting me place any sort of trade whatsoever, which is annoying. I'm going to contact the support and find out why that's happening. But anyway, guys, a big round of applause for 10trade.com. If you're looking for a new broker, especially if you're new to binary options, they have a really good education part. You can learn a lot from 10trade. Please come and join. I will leave a link down in the description below. It will give you direct access. It's a really good broker, highly recommended, even for their withdrawal times, 3 to 5 business days, which will be absolutely fantastic for any skeptical newcomers to binary options. And if you have any troubles, you know, you can contact them, and they're regulated, so I don't know what more you can want from that. And if you have any experience with 10trade, please send us an email, info@binaryoptionsproductreview.com. You know, leave a comment down below. Let's all pull together and make binary options a safer place for all. And thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.